Okay, 70 Challenger. The 41 Buick was sold, Century. We're still trying to sell this guy to 27 Ford Touring, 350 small block, running good. Let's put a little better there. That's the 64 Jaguar. The lady told me it's a 68, but after investigating with the VIN, we found that out. Here's the Corvette. That thing's gonna get ready to get put together now. The interior, the one cluster's in. This one sold. Could have sold this 20. I wish I had 20 of them. That's a great car. This car is a special car. This GTO is so clean underneath. Rebuilt the car, flushed the cooling system, adjusted all the brakes, went through everything, running very good. Originally an air-conditioned car from Oregon and California. No rust. Super nice car. This is a 67 Chevelle that has been completely redone. 355 with a 704R trans, power disc brakes put on there. One of them kind of cars that you could take anywhere. Just really a reliable, nice driving car. So super nice car. The Cutlass Convertible, it's convertible weather, guys. This is the car to grab. 470 Modelo motor, long block in it. That was 10 grand just by itself. Complete frame off restoration. I still got the 2002. I don't understand how no one's bought this car. This car is amazing. 35th anniversary SS with 24 or 25,000 miles on it. 68 Chevy pickup, 454 4-speed. 67 Cougar sold. We're doing a little bit of wiring right in the showroom here so I can finish it. 55 Thunderbird 4-speed. 312 manual steering, manual brakes. Nice restoration on it. So the showroom is looking good. That Camaro sold. We also got a 66 Charger, a 73 Mach 1. So a lot of cars coming in. We are expecting a 52 pickup with a Chevy big block in it. And there's my baby, the 928. We're getting that one all put together. That thing really needs about 2 hours worth of work and it will be put together. So remember, if you guys got any questions about anything in here, if you're looking to, purchase a car, you could always call us at 630-443-4582. And that goes directly to my cell phone, so you can call me anytime. And please like and subscribe. If you guys haven't got on there, I need to get the 500 subscribers over here. I'm like hit a dead spot. I'm stuck. So if you want to see our cars, a lot of times before they actually go on our website, it's the best thing to do that. I can't give them a little better price. We did sell the 99 Corvette that's over here. My Porsche is getting painted, the 944 cab. This is going to be available soon once we clean it. Go there, we're putting a top on it. And this is going to be a really nice car. It was freshly painted, but they sanded another car by it, so now we got to wash the whole dang thing. So give me a call at 630-443-4582.